It took me about a year for it to fully lock up, but honestly, I think we're gonna move a little faster this year. Faster. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel Urban Locs. It is your girl Caira, of course, and I'm back with a really quick 3-month update for you guys. Let's start with just like a nice little 360. So just a little background, I obviously started with 2-strand twist. I have exactly 50 locks, same number that I had in my last set, which is just magical, so this is obviously the magic number. But yeah, we're doing really good. Like, my hair is actually making great progress, especially ones in the back here. Let me show you the back. Let me give me a nice little paper towel. I seem to always have a paper towel handy and around when I'm doing one of these, and it just works perfectly. We're gonna tie some of these up. It's starting to lock up in some areas like this. Look, I want to shut up there. Girl, just look at them. Like, certain parts are really like hard, not hard in like a bad way, but it's a good thing for your locks. Like, you can tell the difference between like a nice little fluffy part that's not really filling up, or that's really spacey still. So they're coming along very, very nicely. But see, something like this one, you can see, like, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see. You can see straight through it in some parts. It's very airy and very spacey still. Like, even up here, it's still very, like, you can tell it's not really doing much of anything. Yes, it's tangling up, but these are gonna take a little bit longer, pieces like this. But like an area right here, this part you can see is kind of starting to lock up right here. Don't get crazy in the beginning with what you're using. You never want to get crazy. Your locks are very low maintenance, but at the same time, they still need maintenance. But they're nowhere near as high as loose natural hair. Can I get a holla? Okay, I know y'all felt that. I know y'all felt that. 3 months is going great. I have no complaints at all. I feel like I'm making beautiful progress. I feel like this set will actually lock faster than my last set. My last set, I noticed, I believe that I was fully locked like around month 13. So it took me about a year for it to fully lock up. But honestly, I think we're gonna move a little faster this year. Faster. Remember, do not compare your locks to anybody else. Do not look at these videos, these updates, and think that you're behind if your hair is not doing the same thing that somebody else's hair is doing. Your hair is your hair. That's the thing about it, okay? It's the difference. It's a huge difference that makes all the difference. Stop comparing yourself to somebody else. Let your lock journey be your own lock journey. All right, beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next video. That's it.